How to block someone on PS5. First of all, you can do this through the messaging system, or you can go to the person's profile and block them there. I'll show you how to do both. So first of all, if you want to block someone after they sent you a message, you want to go to messages by pressing the PlayStation button in the middle of your controller, go to game base, then go to messages, and then you can click on their profile, then block them. Or you can just search in the top right hand corner of your PlayStation 5 console home screen, search their name, go to their profile, and then once you're there, scroll all the way to the right hand side where you see the three little dots, click on block, go through this, and then once you've done it, you can click done on the block there. That's how it's done. And if you want to unblock them, you can go and search them up or go to the block list and unblock them from there. But like I said before, you can go to the messages. As long as you go to their profile, go to the three little white dots on their profile, then you can click block, and then they'll be blocked from messaging you, etc. on PlayStation 5. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for more helpful videos.